Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here with a look at one of my favorite trucks. It's a 2018 Chevy Silverado Redline Edition. Let's go out to the lot and let's check it out. Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here with a look at this brand new 2018 Chevy Silverado Redline Edition. We just got this bad boy in. We were able to order a bunch of 2018s right before they cut off the ordering for the 2018s. Since the new 2019s are coming out, and we're able to order a Redline. So this is gonna be the dealership's last brand new Redline Edition, and they're getting really hard to find at other dealerships as well, since they basically are quitting making 2018s with the new style. So this is a fully loaded LTZ truck, completely blacked out. It's got the custom black rims with the red accents in it. It's a Z71 crew cab. It's got the all blacked out running boards, and then the Silverado is actually blacked out with a red outline, which I absolutely love. And then you got the red tow hoods in the front with a all blacked out front grille and a front blackout bow tie. All right, let's take a closer look at the inside of this vehicle. You just start up at the front of the vehicle, so give a closer look. So this is all blacked out, and then you got the painted black bow tie there. It's a Z71, and then you got the red tow hooks for the front end of it. And then keep walking along over here, and then here's the blacked out rims with the red stripe there, the accent stripe there. And then here's a look at the Silverado, which is all blacked out with a red outline. And then it's got the blacked out running boards, which I really like those. And then it is a Z71 package. It is an LTZ, so you get the spray and bed liner, the rear sliding window. I know that sun's at a bad spot right now, but I wanted to get this video done. And then here's a look at the Silverado on the back. And you get the blacked out tailgate, or bow tie on the tailgate as well. This truck is super sweet. I absolutely love it. On the inside here, you have keyless entry with remote start, along with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and you can program the seats. So this is a LTZ interior. It's got the Bose stereo system in it. Like I said, it's a Z71, so you get the Z71 kick plate there. And then you get the driver front seats. Everything's fully loaded. You get the wireless charging pad in the armrest there in the center console. Here's a look at the rest of the interior. Then here is a look in the back seat area. So you got the rear sliding window back there, and the seats do fold up as well fairly easily. And then everything's all flat down here, which is kind of nice. And then you do have the 12-volt outlet back here. Oh, that sun is just nasty today, but I'll take it. It's been cold here lately. All right, so here's a closer look at the interior. The sun is gonna just kind of suck here, but bear with me. We got a trailer brake control over here. You got your 4-wheel drive selections over here. It's plus your lights. Then you do have cruise control here, plus the heated steering wheel button there. And then you got your Bluetooth, and then your infotainment controls there. And then here's a look at the gauges. Currently 8 miles on the vehicle. It's brand new. It does have the Chevy MyLink radio system on it, AM, FM, and CD player. And then it does have a backup camera as well. And then, like all the LTZs, you got the Dual climate control. You got the heated and air conditioned seats, adjustable pedals, your traction control off, your cargo light for the back, your parking assist, and your little your hill descent assist there. And then you got all your outlets down here. So you got 2 USBs, you got your 2 cigarette lighters plus your 110 volt outlet there, and then your center console along with your charging pad over here. And in the back here you do have 2 USB ports and an auxiliary input over there as well. And then also a cigarette lighter adapter right back here with these little notches that you can run the cords out through right there. Then here's a look at the rest of the vehicle. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here at Diane Chevrolet. This is our last 2018 Redline Edition Silverado. We might be able, if we sell this one, we might be able to get another one in, but it's going to be from another dealership, which we do that all the time. But come and talk to me if you're interested in this vehicle or want to set up a time to check it out. Sorry, that sun is just brutal right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here again. Thank you for checking out this video on this brand new 2018 Chevy Silverado Redline Edition. Like I said, this is one of my favorite vehicles that we got in, and it's not going to last long. They are blowing out the 2018s. This is probably going to be one of the last ones that we're going to have on our lot as far as brand new. We may be able to locate one in the future, but I can't guarantee it. So if you're interested in this vehicle, make sure you come in and ask for me. Come in. All my contact information is below. There's a links below, so go ahead and give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and we can schedule a time for you to come in and take a look at it. Also, make sure you drop me a comment and leave me a thumbs up, and drop me a comment below. Let me know where you're watching this video at. I like to see where all my subscribers are. So drop me a comment below and let me know where you're watching this video at, and let me know what you think about this 2018 Redline Silverado. And once again, thank you for checking out this video. Once again, this is Chevy Dave here from Diane Chevrolet. We're located about 40 miles east of St. Louis in the Metro East area. We're a small town dealership with the big deals. But come see me, Chevy Dave here. I make car buying great again. Thank you for checking out this video and have a wonderful day.